morning,
hello.
everybody.
Good morning, Bolanle. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning, Joel. It's the last day of the induction. Like it's very exciting. I don't know if you're as excited as I am.
Really excited,
Having
actually.
It's been an exciting time. Actually, it's been a very long week. Good morning, Emmanuel. Good morning, Janet. It's been an exciting time. From Monday up until today. For those of us that made it this far, congratulations, congratulations. It may be the last day of the induction, but it's definitely the beginning of your learning journey. And believe me, it is going to be a very interesting one. As usual, we are rooting for you, we're rooting for your success. We're excited that you've come this far, and we believe that you're set to do great things. Very quickly this morning, this is the last session of the induction. We'll just be doing a bit of recap and trying to put some finishing touches to the induction program. So I'll be handing over quickly to Juwon to start that.
All right. Congratulations, guys. It's not been very easy. So if you made it this far, trust me, you're definitely one of the people that are on their way to all of the great and big things we've been hearing since the beginning, especially from our guest speakers and for there are some people on this call as well that have been speaking to us internally that I don't like to blow their trumpet, but trust me, you're just on your way to becoming better and bigger and doing way much more impactful stuff. So congratulations for making it this far, guys. So what we've planned for you today is going to be very concise and very interesting. It will answer a lot of questions, the ones that you guys have been asking for like quite a while now. Some people have been asking, when do we start assessing the LMS? When do we start consuming content? The time has finally come. We're going to be doing a controlled onboarding this morning, where a lot of you guys are going to be onboarded to the LMS as far as you've attended this program at least one time. And if you're here now and you've been coming all this while, consider yourself part of it. And if for some reason this is your first time as well, I would say, I wouldn't lie to you and say you've not missed much, but I would tell you that you're still a valid candidate for the program, okay? And due to the nature of there's some countries there that we are very much aware of some challenges regarding power, regarding data, regarding some other things actually, right? Bring back to the presentation that OJ did yesterday when he was talking about the advantages of actually having a workspace. Like probably you don't have access to some specifications when it comes to like your hardware, your personal computer, right? So the provision of cloud workspace to help you with all of that and some other things, definitely, right? Like reducing the kind of data consumption you incur when you are running those workspaces. So to cut the long story short, we're going to be doing the controlled onboarding this morning. So I'm going to share my screen like shortly to show you guys how that process is going to work. But mostly it might not be about me sharing the screen. I actually have to do some other things in the background, but you guys should keep an eye on your email from this moment, from this particular session, because you're going to get emails, you're going to, and we are also going to have issues regarding, oh, this is not, I couldn't log in. Whatever email, whatever username you get right now is basically going to be your name, probably like coin together, or maybe there's a dot in between, or just like a prefix of your email and all of that, depending on whatever it is that you receive. Don't get emotional about it. Some people be like, oh, I like or some people actually maybe started opening email when it was still, for example, now let's say my name, Adejuwon so my birthday will now be next. Adejuwon 000001. People that actually started with that. if that's the way your email is, or that's the beginning of your email, that's how it's going to be as well. Okay, that's how it's going to. That's how you impute your name. But don't worry about it. You will not get to actually make all those changes for now. All you actually get to do is just enjoy the flow. Just make sure you have all the credentials handy when you're about to log in. Okay, put in your username and put in your password. I'm going to share with you as well. You're going to get a prompt to edit your password, or if you don't as well, just make sure you keep all the details properly. It's going to be your email anyway. Just do not to delete it. Make sure you take care of it very well. So anytime you want to log into the LMS, you have all of that to work with. Okay. That being said, I'm going to be silent maybe for like for like a minute or two. So Bola, if there's anything you might want to like fill in, if there are Q&A that are probably coming in now, I don't know. I want to like help us check into that.
Adejuwon, while you're doing that, do we have any questions on how this is going to go, or is there any question we've been asking from the beginning of this session that you feel has not been answered? Here's the opportunity to ask it now. All right, I think we. Hi, Deborah. I can see your hi. Do we have any questions? Any questions? Okay. Let me answer this. Can you share some light on the code thing? Okay. There has been codes that were shared for attendance earlier in the course of the program. Some codes were shared. But not to worry, if you've been attending and you did not get any code, do not worry. We initially started sharing codes for attendance, but realized that some people were sharing these codes out to, other people that were not that did not attend. Not to worry, we have a database of everyone that joined. One of the beauties of this app that we use currently for the induction is that the time you join, the time you exit, if you were here for 2 seconds and you're here for the entire 1 hour 30-minute session, we get that already. So you don't need to worry if you didn't get the code. Don't worry, don't be anxious for anything. Have you sorted? As long as you attended, you will be onboarded into the LMS. Okay. All right, in Yolua, will the consecutive sessions be morning and afternoon as well, or self-learning? I think we've said this over again, but for the purpose of those who did not get to, did not hear or something. The induction, the morning and afternoon session is ending this morning. Subsequently, it is self-paced learning. There will be some instructor-led courses that may be scheduled for a certain time. However, most of your training in the course of the month will be self-paced. So you choose a time that is suitable for you to take your task. You will not be able to move further if you don't complete a particular task or a particular stage. So as you complete a stage, past that stage, that's when you keep moving. Self-paced, you can decide to do this for a short period of time, and you can decide to do it for, as long as possible. But we advise that you do it within the allotted time for you. Okay. Akinjiola, oh, you just joined. I've not missed anything. No, if you just joined this morning, you have not missed anything. That's if you just joined the morning session today. But if you just joined the entire induction program, you've missed, I don't want to say everything, but you've missed a lot of things, honestly. Okay, is cloud computing and cloud engineering the same thing, or they work alongside? This question has been answered over and over again, so I will not answer that. Afolabi, I would advise that at this point, I would not be taking technical questions. What I would advise at this stage is for those of us who need clarity, some of you which you will get on the, as the course go on. But some other things I would say that it's important that you have to take your time to actually grow yourself as well. So these are things that you could easily learn by researching online. Okay, that we say that we will hold your hand through the process, that will take you through the journey, does not in any way mean that we will spoon feed you. We've spoken about consistency, we've spoken about contextual learning, we've spoken about so many things, but very importantly, you need to own your journey, right? I'm not trying to be say anything negative or scare you, but not all of you that get enrolled would actually complete the program, and that's not because we would not support you or provide you with everything you need. It's because some people would expect things to be handed over to them. It's important that you make your own research, do your own homework. We're here to help you when you get stuck, not someone that has not started at all. Okay, it's very important. There's a saying in my language, I'll say it in English for the purpose of everyone, that it's a child that raises his or her hands that the parents will carry. Okay, so you have to make the effort to raise your hand, and then you get carried. So please, some of these things you can as well just use Google, ask the right questions, and believe me, you get your answer. So I would not be taking any technical questions at this point. Every technical question going forward will be answered along the line while you take your trainings, and then you would have to research on it. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, how many hours do we invest daily in this program? I think you're advised to invest 2.5 hours every day, Joel. I think, am I right on that? 2.5 hours. It's the best. I mean, it's the best to do, at least. But then again, you know which one works for you. You know your learning strength, your learning capacity, how long you take to assimilate knowledge. Okay, so try to work around it. Each module has different time that you're expected to complete it, different topics and all that. Once you get into the program, look at how much time you can allocate to it, and do that. Okay, I missed one session. I'm a full-time stay-home mom, so some days it has spent some time. Deborah, okay, like we have said severally, you will be getting some of the induction. The induction will be broadcasted on our YouTube shortly. The information on when it's broadcasted will be shared on the Slack channel, so don't worry if you missed a session, just one session. You get to watch it and get back what you missed on YouTube. Okay, so don't worry, it's okay, Deborah. Will all the induction sessions be on YouTube for those that missed one session or the other? I think I just answered that. Good morning, everyone. Please, I might not be able to interact much. I'm stranded on the road on my way to work due to the riots, but I'm online and listening. Oh, so sorry about that, Oluwafemi. For those of us, currently in Nigeria, we understand the situation of things. Please, 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 we advise you try to stay safe. Okay, we understand the situation of things. But that's very fine, Oluwafemi. Please try to stay safe in this season, and let's be situationally aware of our environment as well. Oh, for those that cannot hear anything, Cynthia, well, you can't hear anything, so I'm not even sure you can hear me. You may like to, restart your device. It might most likely be a network issue. Please, are we going to be taught data analysis inside data engineering course? Okay, I said I wasn't going to answer that, so learn everything that has to do with data from zero to techie. That's what it's about. So I mean, you're on the path. Let me just generalize that, put it that way for Ifoma. Okay, I think that's all the question we have. Okay, I've been having issues with my email for days. I'm just joining in on the induction today. How do I catch up on what I missed? Okay, I don't know if you just joined now or you just joined in today. Wow, it's very I mean, you wouldn't blame us if we can't keep answering the same question over and over again. Okay, so please just look out for our YouTube channel and try to, we spoke about accountability partner, we spoke about, partnerships, groups, and all that. So try to like make your own networks as well on the Slack channel. Try to communicate with people. You know how it is in a physical class and a program. You have classmates that, oh, I missed class today. What can we do? What can I do? I think it's very important that you have people like that can help you in these times, because you know, we would not, I mean, you're a number, we have a lot of you, okay? We have over 400 of you guys, so it's not going to be very easy for us to answer every single question, especially when we've answered it again. For anyone who says I just joined, not to worry, you have not missed much if you just joined this morning. Regarding the afternoon session for myself and other Muslims who will probably be going to weekly Friday prayer. Nasif, we said this before now. The morning session is going to end, the induction session is ending this morning. There will be no afternoon session, so not to worry, you're not going to miss anything. And yes, we have considered that, so there will be no afternoon session today. Okay, the induction program ends this morning. Are we going to be job ready after 6 months of the program, or will we need further training? Now that's dependent on you. We will train you to ensure that you get to that point, but you have to make the decision yourself to be ready. Okay, if you follow through everything that you're being taught, you follow the process, yes, you'll be ready for the entry role requirements by the end of the 6 months. Juwon, are you ready for us now?
Can I get another minute, please?
Okay. The codes for yesterday morning and evening were not shared, or is it just me? Victor, not to worry about the codes at the moment. Like I said a few minutes ago, don't worry about the codes. We already have your attendance sheets. You will be enrolled as long as you join the session. Just don't worry about the codes for now. Okay. All right.
Okay. Go ahead.
James, sorry, Juwon, before you get in, James, please, can you add Blessing? To you. All right, Juwon.
Okay, so guys, I'm just going to show you something, right? I'll maybe say one or two things. Sorry, 1 second, please. So, due to the level of complexity and how huge the program has been, we have to just make sure we stay up to date with a lot of things, basically. Okay? Hey guys, hear me? Okay. So can that person mute to mic? Thank you. So guys, I'm going to show you something now. It's probably going to look like a bit huge when you see it, but not to worry. To just show you that we have, like Bolanle already said as well, we have all the record of all the attendance, okay? And this is what will inform, what's the word? What will inform the people that get to the LMS, okay? So if at any point, even right now, if you're in this session right now, maybe for the stay-at-home mom, I say we've structured the program in a way that it doesn't have to really weary you off. All you have to just do is put the video and put the webinar on, and you're able to participate and all of that, right? But in case you're unable to meet the earlier days, today that you're here now, according to the configuration of the system, it says that you would also have access to the LMS. So just keep an eye on your email. You will get an invitation with your login credentials. So for people like, for people like you, because of the reason people like you, right, we will have to let the onboarding happen after this session. Okay, that's to factor in conditions of people that maybe they were not able to make the first four session. No, about 6 sessions or thereabout now. No, about 8 of them that we've had now. That's to say that people like you, even though we're not going to like you that you do not miss, right? But you're going to catch up eventually when the content gets to the YouTube channels, okay? But you still have access to the LMS. So when this particular session we're in right now, which is going to end by, let's say, like 11:30 or thereabouts, keep an eye on your email. So all the attendance will be collated together. I'm going to show you what the previous days the previous sessions looks like, the names and the time you get in, the time you left, right? And maybe participation as well, because we have that data as well. Maybe there has been like polls that has been raised, and we that we request for your contribution, your participation. So I hope you actually did well in those sessions. If you did not, there's still going to be another session this afternoon where we do a bit of recap, and there's going to be some questions. There's going to be some, some Q&A session. So I would advise that you participate properly, okay? So you can, add to what gets you qualified to be added and to be onboarded into the LMS. But like I said again, attendance is the major determinant. And if you're here or you've been here at some point, you can be rest assured. Okay. I'm just going to show you guys what this looks like from this end. Yeah, so it's still being collated, but it has most of the ones that we've done already from Monday till like yesterday. 1 second, please. My son should be coming up now. I'm getting an error. Let me try again. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting some errors here. Okay. All right. I think we're good now. Please let me know when you can see my screen. Okay. Okay. Okay, just share. I'll just share this entire window. Okay. Let me know when you guys can see my screen. I'm sharing a full window now. Please just signify when you can see my.
We can see your screen, John.
Hello.
We can see your screen. Looks like
all right, cool. All right, cool. So guys, this is what it looks like, right? Just to show you guys that if at any point at all you've attended any of the sessions, right? This is what it looks like. We have your name, we have your details, right? And like I said earlier, so the way your username will be configured. It could be from your first name and your last name, right? Or it could just be like a prefix of your email, right? But be sure to carry enough information to signify that it's yours, and just keep it safe. Whatever it is that you get from the email, right? You will see the email to call out, to give you a link to the LMS as well. It will have your username and your password. So it's straightforward. Just get into the LMS. So this is what it looks like. You have, at any point you've been here, like I said earlier, right? We have all of this data. We have the time you registered, the time you joined, then duration, that this time you spent in the program. Okay, so we have that for all of the days, right? And if you are in this session as well now, which is the last session, you can be rest assured that at the end of this session, we pull out the data for today and all the participation, like everything you have here, basically, even much more than this. I've had to, clean this up a bit to fit into what we're gonna, make use of in the final onboarding. Okay, so yeah, the rest assured, guys, this is to give you a visual of that. So we've been telling you you're gonna be onboarded, and you're asking yourself, how you guys are not doing this, you're not doing that. This to give you a level of assurance that is going to happen, and it's going to start happening immediately after the last session. So if there are questions regarding this onboarding that we're talking about right now, just please drop it immediately so we can attend to it before we call this a wrap. Okay. So drop your questions. I'll be taking it from here. Let me see. I can see your screen. Okay, these are just questions. Is there a session in the afternoon? Bolan has already answered this, but I guess this person just joined. There's not going to be afternoon session today. This is the last session we're in because we understand we have people of different religion and we have the Muslim people and Muslims as well, and they have to tend to tend to go to pray and all of that, and that is entirely fine. We've factored all of those scenarios. Another question is, I just got a mail about a cancelled webinar. What is it about, please? It's about the afternoon session, right? You're not going to, there's not going to be afternoon session, so that's why that one was cancelled. Well, this one we are here right now is the last one. I cannot see the presentation. That's same for every other person. Jonathan in your sorry if I didn't call your name very well. You have to restart your device. And the reason why I call names sometimes, guys, is just to call your attention. Maybe just for some reason you are doing some other things, and maybe I'm answering your question. Just call your name to call your attention to the response. Okay. When is the next session? This is the last session. There's no next session. I looked and I did not see my name. I was thinking my name would be like number 1. Well, I guess somewhere after 46. Osai UK. I pronounce that very, very well. Be rest assured, it doesn't matter if it's on number 1 or the last number. What you should care about is if my name is on that list, and you can be sure your name is on that list. Okay, it's not error prone. Okay, it's computer that actually filtered that. We didn't compute that by ourselves, and maybe we are looking at, maybe there's one person on the background that is looking at the name of people and is recording and their email. No, that's not the way it works. The platform itself computes that for us, and all we have to just do is query it and get that data out of it. We're not manipulating, we're not touching that data. So you can be sure, Osayuki, if you've been in any of the sessions, then your name is there. Okay. I looked and okay, that's Osayuki. Hello, my name is Dorcas. I just joined. I've been having troubles joining the induction all the while. Okay, Dorcas, that's fine. Maybe it's not entirely fine, but you are here now. Just get as much as you can and participate in the next in the remaining part of the program. It ends this morning. Do as well to get as much as you can. Does this mean that the onboarding ends this morning? It means that the onboarding commences after this session. Because of people like Dorcas, we have to make sure we end this session to be sure that we have the count of all the attendance you've had over the time since the beginning till now. And then for you that just joined the first time as well, we want to make sure, if your reason is actually very solid and very firm, make sure we, put you into consideration. I didn't see my name. If you're I would say relax. Okay, just relax. You're gonna get your name is there. If you are here now, you're able to type this Q&A now, this question right now. Be sure your name will be there. Okay. Okay. On lighter note, I hope you guys were not like making efforts to actually see through your name on that sheet. I shared it maybe within like a minute or two. It's not possible I scroll through the entire page for all the sessions and looking for your name and you think you will see something. So don't make that effort. Just be sure that if you are here now and you can hear me, you're there. What's the LMS? Only Bamidele, this is your first time here, no doubt. The LMS is actually shortening for Learning Management System, and we have one to run this program. It has all the list of the courses that you're going to be interacting with in this program, be it cloud or data, and you would have access to it. And if you're here now, you're going to get an invitation into CIL Academy. CIL.academy is going to come with the email address, don't worry, and the login credentials for you to get into the platform. I didn't see my name. Okay, I've answered this already, Ifema. Just remember that some of us joined and get reconnected and rejoined again on the same session. Ishimwe, you can be sure, I can pronounce that very well. Sorry, if I didn't, you can just type me on LinkedIn. Let's the way I can pronounce your name be on your profile. This is on the lighter notes anyway, so I can get her to pronounce it properly. So in case we have another meet and maybe I've fortunately come across your name on LinkedIn, I know how to pronounce it. Okay, don't worry, you're here now. Either you logged in at any point and you logged up at any point, we have your record, and you're going to get invited into the LMS, right? Your reason is actually quite, it's very clear, and we know it's really substantial. Network, and you don't have control over those things. Those things are, somewhat macroeconomic factors that can determine that you join or you don't join. Where's my name here? Okay. If you're I don't want to say I'm not going to answer that again, but I won't actually. Good morning. What if we can't get to join early? You're here now. That's what matters. I'm going to wrap up now with the last question now. My session is sort of over. Are we going to have access to check our name on the list? And okay, I've answered that already. You're going to get an invitation. That's all you should worry about. Can I have access to the LMS after the program? Marvelous. Yes, you have access to the LMS, and that's what we've been talking about. You're going to get an email. Okay. You pronounce my name well. I'm very, very glad, Nshimwe. Okay. I'm very glad to hear that. Sir, how can I add you added to the Slack group? Jay will probably touch on this if he is able to come up, but there's a Slack channel and there was an invitation that was dropped earlier in the sessions. Invitations to different platforms, our social networks, our community links. So Jay, you must like help us just drop those links one more time. And that will be the end of my talks this morning. So I should give you assurance and to show you the data of that we've been collated since the beginning of the program, right? For people that are qualified to be added to the LMS. So you're going to get an invitation via your email. Keep an eye on your email and mark CIL Academy, CIL Academy email as not spam and add it to your trusted contacts. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. It might most likely be the last time I speak to you. It's been very nice speaking with all of you, great minds, and I hope we, see the other side where you come out in flying colors and you get to tell it, you get to tell your story, write about it, blog about it, or even just tell your story maybe on a different platform. Thank you very much and congratulations once again. Bolanle, I think this is where I drop my mic. All right.
Thank you, Adejuwon. All right, in the next few minutes, we'll be doing something to wrap up the session. It's a recap session, okay? For those of us who just joined, for those of us who have been part of this induction since day one, Monday morning, this is where you are to shine, okay? So, Blessing, I'll be doing this with Blessing. Blessing, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Carry on.
All right. I'll be doing this with Blessing. We'll be having a recap session. Blessing, I don't know if you're ready to share your screen. We can start. While you're sharing your screen, I'll just give more of a breakdown on how this is going to go. Blessing, are you ready to share your screen?
Not yet, starting up. Give me 2 minutes, please.
Okay. All right, so we will be using a platform called AHASlides. I don't know if you're familiar with this platform. So we're using this platform to get it's just a very interesting session. Not to worry, okay? Don't get so scared on what if I don't pass this? What if I fail this? It's supposed to be interactive. Use your emojis, put your comments as much as possible. I can see Abraham's statement talking to John saying last time speaking to us, are you jackpine? Well, it's not jackpine from the program, but maybe from the induction ceremony. Yes. Okay. We've answered this. The coin toss.
Okay.
Okay, someone wants to see my face. Okay, I'll put on my camera now so you can see my face then. Okay. Will there be an afternoon session? We've said this over and over again, so I will not be taking that. Okay. All right. While we wait for Blessing to join,
Bola, just give me a few minutes. Let me set up on a stable connection, okay, so that we don't disconnect as we go through. I'll let you know once I've got it. Thank you.
Okay. I hope you can see my face now. Okay. All right. Let me see if we have. Oh, thank you, Andrea. I appreciate the fact that CIL keeps me updated with emails. I usually don't get Slack notifications, or it's important to check your Slack notifications though, because you may not be getting as much emails as the Slack notification. And on the Slack channel, you get to communicate with your team members, those of you in the program as well. So as you go through the program, you're having any challenges, you get to drop it there, you know, have that conversation. So it's very important that you put it there. I'm sorry I'm not sharing. I will not be showing my face for too long because I'm juggling a lot of things at the same time. Someone asking for Blessing's surname. Okay, maybe Blessing will answer that by himself. All right. Oh, you can't see my face. I put on my camera. I just put it off now. Don't worry, you see my face very soon. Okay. All right. So sorry, trying to get my network stable. Oh, you can't see my face. Okay, I'll get my network back up and then show my face for us all to see. Everybody that wants to see my face. But can you hear me? I think that's very important. Juwon, can you hear me? I don't know if anyone can. Okay, yes, we can hear you.
Yeah,
Okay,
very well. We can hear you, Omobolanle.
Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to get in my face. Okay, we're waiting for Blessing's network to thank you. Oh, someone said I'm a data detective. It's Blessing Udoisang MIET. Okay. Honestly, for the person who says I can't hear or see anything, my network is okay. Honestly, I'm not sure your network is that great. I mean, if you can't see, you should still be able to hear. I'm not sure why that's the case. Okay.
I'm being asked to show my face, so you can be sure I'm doing stuff. I've not just gone. So yeah, stuff in the background. Okay.
Okay. So get it up and running. Are you speaking? Your mic is muted. Oh, okay. Okay. All right, let me see if I can still take more questions before we start the. It's a 5-man blessing. Okay. Everything is back to normal. Okay, it's good. Your face is motivators. That's good to know. Let's Blessing face be on our screen for a while so that it can keep motivating us. Good morning. Okay. All right. We're trying to get the recap session. We know everyone facially and can tag their names, their face, except you. Oh, it's still me. Okay, I'll put on my Blessing. They said you share your skincare routine. I think Blessing's skincare routine will help us. And please share your skincare routine with us. So that can well after. Waiting for Blessing to set up his screen.
I think we could try. We might be able to try now.
Okay.
Okay. For those of us that wonder what was going on there, that was just most of the network issues is caused by the frequency. So we'll probably start to learn things like this later. I've got two systems on two different network frequencies, and one of them is more reliable. So I've moved to the reliable one because of this session. And skincare, I just don't rub cream on my body. So what you're seeing is my poor skin. If you want that, good luck. I don't. Okay.
In addition to the weather, let me cast you a little bit.
Probably. So the very beautiful weather we have here. Sarcasm rolling. Okay. How do I share screen? I figure it out. Now I think share screen. There we go. Entire screen, right? Okay.
I think for the AHASlides.
Yeah. I'll go entire screen. I was trying to compare if I should go for a tab. Picture in picture. Why you navigate between? Oh, that might work. I'm trying this for the first time on this system, so good luck to me. Right. Okay. I would have to know which screen you can see. I'm also looking at it from another system just to give myself a sense of what you can see. So I believe you can. Oh, no, you shouldn't be seeing this screen yet. Interrupt it. Go on present mode. Fab. Okay. That looks better. So I've changed the address, Bolanle, to CIL recap from yesterday's 7 ID. So let's all get in and join up wherever you can, mobile, laptops, or whichever device you find best for you. And I would say on this one, I would like to see a lot of reactions. I'd like to see you kind of showing me that you're either enjoying this or not enjoying it. There'll be a chat. Yeah, okay. What can I say? Someone has joined. There'll be a chat menu at the bottom, and they are flocking in. Who is the red devil? Goodness gracious. Right. Okay. There's a chat button if you want to chat. There are reaction buttons if you want to give your reactions. And it's a competition. Are there rules? Bolanle, do you want to talk us through if there are any rules?
Okay. Basically, how you have to do, I hope you can see my face now. I'm trying to put on my camera so that everyone can see my face.
Let me go mute. Hold on. One sec. Okay.
Can you hear me? Okay. They can see my face. Okay. All right. Thank you. The rules are very simple. All you have to do is, how do you join the AHASlides? There's a link shared. Okay. Thank you, cousin. Okay. You can see my face now. That's good. All right. For those of us that want to put a face to the voice, so here's my face. All right. So, the link or the quiz, there's a code already on your screen. Okay. Blessing was sharing that. I don't know. You're not, Blessing, I'm not sure you're still sharing. And share it to join the slides. The rules are very simple. There are questions to answer in 30 seconds. You see a timer. It's about answering correctly and being the fastest person. Okay, Blessing's screen would show the leaderboard, okay, for us. So we'll get to see okay, so we can see people joining. Okay, so just join at ahaslides.com/CIL recap in capital letter. So
Or simply scan the QR code if you want.
You can scan the QR code if you can, so just join. So there's so many people joining already. You can see that already on the screen. Okay. Answer the question as fast as you can. And do not forget to click submit, because that's the issue that a lot of people get to have. You're already so quick. Oh, I know this answer. You click it and then you don't click submit. Okay. So let's enjoy the process. It's supposed to be interesting. And it's also supposed to help us remember some of the things that we discussed that's very essential to your journey in that we've been discussing in the last few days. All right, so yes, those are the basic rules. Try to engage as well. You could use the chat button on AHASlides, and you can definitely use the chat button as well on the Zoho link. So just keep putting in your icons. I can see all the likes, the laugh, the love. Yes, put it all in. Okay. I'll be looking at the Q&A session here on Zoho to be sure that we all get it. Thank you, Samuel, for putting that up again for people to see. Okay. Just came in, join. You come in anytime, join. Oh, you're driving, so sorry. You could pay attention. Please don't text and drive. Okay, it's not a shared link. It's on the screen. Go to ahaslides.com/still recap, or scan the QR code on your screen. Blessing, I think we can, I don't know how many people we have yet on in.
So 133 players in. How many do we have attending? Apart from those driving or flying planes, please.
Please, we have 330 people on this call at the moment. So let's wait a bit more. I guess some people are still trying to get in.
Yeah, I think we should wait. I agree. Who is Hala Madrid? Can you use your real name so we can? Who is Elon Musk in Ogbomoso? My goodness gracious! Oh my goodness, this is. Can you use your real name so we can know who is winning? Oh my goodness, these are some interesting names popping up. Okay, Basma, nice. Ranstar, Rohim, Tandika, AY, Rodayo, Cybergore. Okay. Cosmo Matengifa. Nice to see you. More. It's growing by the numbers, and I think we should do well to wait because the numbers just keep going up. When it stabilizes a bit, we'll stop. Yeah.
Yes,
more and more people join. Yeah. By the way, don't try to join with multiple devices so you can win the game. I will be watching you.
I feel like if you join with multiple devices, you're actually doing yourself more harm than good.
Exactly.
At the end of the day, you can't be very fast. You can't be that fast on 2 devices. You have to be like.
No, you can't. Right. 161 and going. Right. I think we should put a hard stop then. We will start. Let's pick a random number. Rody die. What do you get there? 1 to 6. Right? Okay. We've got a 5. So we'll start 9:53. Well, that's my time. By your time, 10:53 in Nigeria, or using West African time, and whatever the time else is in these time zones you others may be in. So please join as quickly as you can. I can still see the numbers going up. In what's going on in the chat? Are there people still struggling? Bola, are people still struggling to join? Are they coming in?
Coming in. I'm lost here. How do I join? What's the URL? Check your screen. Okay. See AHASlides.com/still recap. AHASlides.com/still recap. Just put that in and then you get it. Is it better to play on your phone or your PC? Both of them are actually good. Just get one with good network. I'm lost here. Please join the link. Struggling, yeah. Join the link. Just join. Don't worry. When you start, you get it. Just join. Find the link.
Right.
Blessing, how many people do we have now?
We've got 171.
Okay, can we do 200 before we go? So once we get back, everyone else.
Okay. Still waiting, still waiting, still waiting.
Okay,
so that's
want to get as much people in as much as possible so that nobody's lost. All you have to do is join the link. I don't see the link. Please, I can't find the link. Okay.
It is definitely on the
AHASlides.
screen. AHASlides.com /CIL recap. Can you also put in the broadcast to all Q&A? I think it's already been put there.
Yes, I want to do that again. So that,
Yeah.
you know.
But the QR code is on the screen. If you can see the screen, just scan the QR code. Join the future, please. Stop typing. Start scanning. Yeah. And if you're joining from a mobile device, just check the Q&A for the link. It's right in there if you're not seeing the screen. Now, if you're not seeing the screen, the experience is going to be a bit different because you probably won't get all the fun. Look at all the things popping up on my screen. There's going to be more things popping up on the screen. So I would say join from a laptop and you are going to love this. Okay. At some point, I'll start singing and dancing. No, I won't. Maybe, who knows? And I've got a dog running around me. She want to play. Goodness gracious. Come up. Kai, come up. You might be able to get the answers better than myself.
Okay, let's just enjoy this process. You know, the link is there again to join.
Yep.
Okay.
Counting down a minute to go.
Is there a prize for whoever wins? We'll find out at the end of the session.
We'll find out.
Be patient. We'll find out.
We'll probably get very emotional and just declare a massive $1 million prize. These things happen. Come on.
Oh,
I should have
Blessing, someone wants to see the dog.
You want to see the dog? No. There's one thing I'm not going to do. I'm not going to carry the dog because if I do, you always want me to carry him. Unless I have a volunteer. Do you want to carry the dog? There are no volunteers. So don't worry. Towards the end, I'll pan the screen down so you can see the dog. Right? It's a very, 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 very clingy and emotional dog. If I carry it up now, that's it. That's the base standard forever. Okay, it's 9:53, but we're also very close to 200, and I'm not waiting anymore. I can't wait. Okay. My goodness, I can't wait. I can't wait. Right, spice things up.
Chatting already.
Time for a drop. Right, let's go. Start the quiz. Question number 1. Look at your device. Coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me the answer. I'm sure you know the answer to this. This is the simplest one. Yep. Fantastic.
Go.
I'm glad you know the answers.
Let's do this.
You've got just less than 15 seconds to give an answer. Please click submit. And the fastest to the answer gets some extra points. So be very quick. Fast fingers, please. We're going to see who was the fastest this time. In 3, 2, 1, and let's see. Ooh. Who are these 72 people that got this wrong? How? How?
72 plus 31.
Adejuwon, I'll get their names. Can you just kick them out of the academy straight? Just like ban them. What? Okay. The answer was.
Please, let's forgive them. It's detention.
And advance. We said that on the very first day. Right. You need to calm down and get the answers correct, please. Right. Let's see who was the fastest with that answer. Ooh.
Oh, that's Kehinde Ogazi. All right.
Okay. Right. That's interesting. Yeah. Okay. We'll go to the next one. We'll just keep it top 5-ish, and I might scroll down a bit to see others as time goes on. But yeah, we now have our first top 5 now. The game is on. These are the people to beat, right? No one scored up to 900. If you can pick the answer fast enough, the full point is 1,000 per question. So we need to do better than this, right? Let's go. Let's go. Next one. Right. On the screen. This cohort is cohort number. Come on, it couldn't get any simpler than this.
It's like
It couldn't get just flip the coin. It's one of those numbers. Want to join up? No. Okay. Right. There we go. Why are they laughing? Okay, it's apparently it's too simple. The question is too simple. We shall see who failed this one. Okay. 4,
if
3,
you don't
2.
know this one, then you probably are not. You've not been attending.
Oh, there are 10 people that haven't been attending, or 12 rather.
Interesting. Interesting.
Whoa.
You're going to be going to the wrong bus stop, right? Because you don't know what the bus stop number is to join this bus. Oh my goodness. Right. Is Kende still on the top? Let's check it out. Nah.
Let's find out.
I think Kende is one of those 10 people. Right. So Craig is now running up on points with an extra 931 points. So man, massive. Well done. Next one. There is still a lot of opportunity. This is only question 3 out of 33. So let's go. 2 practice areas are the focus of this cohort of CIL Academy internship. These are simple question, very simple question.
We ask questions every day.
Exactly.
Can we combine this? Can we do that?
Every day. Can I do both of them? Oh, I want to do both of them. Right. Remember to submit.
Yes, I want to be a pro at it.
To be a pro in both of them. Remember to submit a second.
Be a pro at this.
Oh, see 5 people don't get this. Yeah.
Cloud, what? Cloud analytics? Are you sure you're supposed to be here?
You know what? 248 people get this correct. I'm happy with that. The 5 will tell you what they are now. You know what they are now. Cloud and data.
So the 5 people, I want to believe the 5 people did not just join today.
Let me agree with that. So for those just joining today, we'll focus on Cloud. Oh,
you see how much you've missed.
I can't keep a straight face and say this. Right. Who is up on the board? Ooh, I like the fact that it's changing for every question, but the game is on. And you know what? Sammy GIS or Sammy Geese, however you're pronouncing this, you're just hiding there at number 3. These are the people to watch out for. The dark horses that are just going to pop up and, boom, that bang at the top.
Abisola is doing this. Okay. Oh, you lost your screen, Kende. So sorry. Get back in the game. You can still
Get back in. Reload.
Reload
it to get you back in. And you can still win. Right? I'm actually playing myself, and guess what number I'm on? I'm not going to even say it. I'm not going to even mention what I'm on. Dash is an IT professional that builds and maintains cloud infrastructure.
Okay, we're getting technical here.
Yeah. Everybody would know this. Paula, you just keep laughing. These questions are too simple. Okay. Right, 11 seconds. Where's my music box when I need music? I think we need. Can you drop your choice of songs in the chat, and I probably try and see if my DJ can get it up on the airwaves. Okay. I want Odo cough. I've got a DJ in the house. Thank you very much. Special brew. You see, I'm game ready for this one. Music coming very, very soon. So data engineer. No. Definitely not a cloud builder. That'll be interesting. The answer is cloud engineer. So it's not data engineer because the question says nothing whatsoever about data, but it says, there it goes. Well, can you hear that? The DJ is on.
Yes, I can.
Aha.
Oh, the song. It could be a bit louder. It's not.
What louder?
It's Friday.
Loud. Aha.
Can't hear it now. It's okay.
Okay. No, I'm not dancing yet. Calm down, calm down. I've been encouraged to start the dancing now. Okay. For the first time, someone has maintained the spot on number 1. Good stuff. Right, Sammy, you still very much at the third. I'm watching you. Okay. Right. Next one. Let me know the songs in the Q&A, and I'll try and get it up for people to enjoy.
Oh, we have Beautiful People by Chike.
Beautiful People by Chike coming up next. API, what does it stand for? Don't watch me dancing and forget to submit to. Oh, that's good. 259 for API. Aha. Authentic platform integration. Now, what are you thinking? Meta policy instrument. Are you kidding me? Hell no. Hell no. Please, application programming interface. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. The good thing about this is you get to refresh on this. And if you didn't even know them before, you're learning them for the first time. So once we're having fun, it's still a very, very proper learning environment. And I'm pretty sure some of those things we learned about learning might be in the questions. Who knows? Who's at the top? No expo.
Okay.
Let's go back. Oh, that left.
Okay.
That's a massive 925. Wow. Okay. I think I want you in cloud engineering, Dalet. Come along. I'm selecting my team now, Adejuwon.
It's too early to say. Let's calm down.
Okay, calm down. Is this music? Blame it on the music. The music. I know. Village people. 6. According to GitLab, Dash is a combination of software development and operations. It doesn't get easier than this. No, it doesn't. Come on. Tap.
It's right there.
Right there in front of you.
It's right there.
Chukujeku, why are you crying? What? Seriously? Here comes Beautiful People on the airwaves. Hopefully you can hear that. Enjoy it. Who requested for that one? Woo. Come on, this dog. Right. No one should be failing these questions, people, please. Omobolanle, should I be reading the answer alongside? These are too simple. No one should be failing this.
I mean, we could all see the answer. It's right there in the question. I even said that.
It's right there.
DevOps. It's in the question. Development and operations. Dev and ops.
Okay. Who is up front now? Okay.
Dalet is still up. Okay.
But interestingly, you see what's going on here. Even though Tokwe scored more and Cam scored about 941, which is the highest I can see on this screen, it's not been enough. So it does tell you that you can push up your points. So keep going, keep scoring that high. Someone is going to unseat Dalet soon. Okay. Next one. Next song. What's the next song? Check the Q&A for me.
Okay, we have Ashake.
Which one of the
Organized.
Well, it's only Nigerians that are giving these choices, please. That song from Uganda, from Ghana, from Brazil.
Don't worry, just keep trying. Lost my connection on this one. Don't worry, get back in.
Don't worry, get back in. Still on. What are the 4 V's? Come on.
The questions were not displayed on my end. Refresh your screen.
Refresh your screen,
Probably
please.
your network.
Ooh, this is the worst performing question. Oh no.
Oh, the 4 V's.
The 4 V's will discuss this. 10,000 feet data engineering, right?
Yeah.
It's not valid. It's not volume. It's not verified. It's not vacant. Sorry. It's not vast. It's not value. It's not view. It is volume. In data engineering, we're handling lots and lots of data. This data is coming very, very fast. Okay. I will talk veracity. How do we verify that it's okay? It's correct, it's truthful. And then obviously we have the last one, which is variety. Many different sources. Some of us are on mobile today, some are on laptops, some are on Apple devices, iPads, and whatnot. Variety of sources bringing the data in. Don't worry if you didn't get this, stay on the program. Okay, we'll learn more about these things on the program. So is Dalet still at the very top? No, I said it.
Software went up.
Where is Sammy Geese? Sammy Giant, where are you? I can't find him anymore. Or her? Not sure. Oh no. Okay. Let's keep going, Topper. Now I'm on top. Thank you. As I can on the is that organized? Okay, our organized is coming. A technical person responsible for architecting, building, testing, and maintaining data systems. There you go. I'm definitely sure you know this one. Is he a data cook? Is he a data engineer? Is he a build master? Okay. I like this one. 9 seconds. Okay. Time's up.
Everybody got
Ooh.
it.
Have you noticed what Ebola? Woo! 100% score. You know what? That deserves a special effect. Where are my effects?
Yay!
That was beautiful. Well done, everybody. Well done, you. And who got that fastest? Oh, Tokwe still maintained the lead with a 944-second point time. You did well there. Keep going that way. Tokwe, you might win this. Number 9. Right, the questions are coming fast and thick. Aha, an AI chatbot service that answers questions and write essays has recently become very popular and is trending online. What is it called? Is it ChatGPT or ChatGPT as I call it? Is it Chat AWS or ChatTPT? It's one of these. I'm pretty sure it's one of them.
Yeah.
5 seconds.
I'm sure a lot of our students know this already. We're using it already. It's like,
yeah, for research, I hope.
oh
no. The 14 and the 5, sorry. It is not Chat GPT. It's close, but it's not. And it's not Chat AWS. It's definitely Chat GPT offered by OpenAI. Take some time out to try it out after the session today.
Yeah.
You will be impressed. You will be impressed.
Someone told me yesterday that someone wrote a Valentine's letter or a Valentine's note for his babe with ChatGPT.
Now, that's an intelligent message. Organized on the airwaves. I hope you can hear that from the background. Woo! Omobolanle, you've not started dancing yet. Someone
already called your move cloud moves, Blessing.
What did you say?
Someone already called your move cloud moves.
Cloud moves, yeah. No, we should do, when you're on the cloud, you have to have inner peace. What's that Ronaldo's inner peace celebration? So we can go. Aha, there we go.
Someone said, is there a way to reselect again after making a mistake? Unfortunately, there's not.
No, you get one go. A programming language popularly used by both cloud and data engineers. It could be Anaconda, it could be Cobra, it could be Python. Who knows?
In which of these snakes?
It's definitely a snake, right? Okay.
Definitely a snake. The snake has to be used.
What is it with this cloud and data engineers and snakes?
Don't know.
I'm sure James is somewhere there just laughing at us and going, God knows these people. Whoa, 100% again. I think for every 100% score, we need to add something to that prize pot if there is a prize ever. But well done.
Okay.
Well done.
We're doing this.
You're doing well. Huh? Right. Any other song request, please?
Okay,
Song
let's
request.
see.
What have we got?
Okay. All right. Let me give a song request. Who is Your Guy by Spyro?
Ooh.
Someone said
who's
play
that?
a Calvin Harris song.
Oh,
Calvin
you
Harris.
gave Calvin Harris. I have my favorite then. Hmm? So anything Calvin Harris, I want those. One of those is dry techno beat. It will be lovely. Okay, DJs at it, and we keep going. Number 11, 1/3 of the way through. Tokpa is still leading. Someone please help me unseat Tokpa now with this next question. There we go. Hey, don't go. In no particular order. Come on, you know the answer to this. Put it in straight. And remember to submit. It's not just enough to put in the answer. You need to submit. Right? Is it eBay, Jumia, and AliExpress? Is it SQS, Lambda, and Cycle Cloud? Is it AWS, Azure, and GCP? I don't know. We shall find out.
Hey.
More songs, more songs. We need to make
To
the list
you,
longer.
my guy. Hey. No,
Who are these five? Who are these three people that will not stop shopping? Abba, you people.
As in,
You buy human hair, you buy Brazilian hair, and in fact, all these cloud engineers that got the answer right, you need to build them a new platform.
yes,
eBay, Jumia, AliExpress.
our
No
online
way.
shoppers.
I know you people now. Tell me, Tokwe has been unseated. No.
Nope.
How do I distract Tokwe now?
Tokwe, keep at it. No distractions.
Come on. Number 12. SQL. Tokwe doesn't know this one, I promise you. Someone get this answer,
Tokwe knows
please.
it. Don't worry. Tokwe, I'm rooting for you.
Is it a simple query lingo? Is it a semantic queue locator? Or is it a structured query language? What is SQL? Some people call it SQL, some call it SQL. Whatever you choose to call it. What does it mean?
This your dance lesson.
Don't worry, I'll soon get up now. Almost, nearly. Simple query lingo. Sounds like something from IT crowd. Right. No, it's not that. And now you know the right answer. Structured. It's said to be structured because of the way it's organized. You can either do a select, you can do a delete, an insert, right? Or an update. It's very, very structured, the language, right? And it's used to query for data. Okay. So simply what it says is what it does. Now, Tokwe, are you still there? Okay.
Yay! I told you Tokwe was on this.
Tokwe. And it's running pretty far now, 11,000. Someone needs to do something. Adeni, come on, do it. Number 13. Well done. That's Calvin Harris, Giants. The program is planned to last for X weeks. Do I know this one?
How long is the program supposed to last for? And Juwon shared this with us like a lot of times. So
was it shared in weeks or months? And I don't remember now.
shared in weeks, it was shared in months. Do the math.
I need to do the math, right? Not this morning. I promise you, it's not just water that is in this cup, right? So no, don't make me do math.
Oh. We have 33 people.
33 people not knowing how long it is. You know what? It's close enough. If you hang around 20 weeks, we'll stretch it 4 weeks for you. we'll encourage you and carry you. You know those images on Accountability Partner where someone was carrying someone? We'll carry you. Okay. Who did it fastest? Oh, Tokwe still on top. I think at this point, this is the point where I'll place a call. I have the ability to call Tokwe and find out what you're doing there. Have you gathered the whole village together? I'm watching you. Let's see what happens in the next few questions.
Someone said Tokwe is an aka.
It has to be. It has to be.
Someone is even saying Blessing is equals to Tokwe.
No. I'm rubbish. What have I scored? I'm on. Okay, I'll tell you my position when this one goes through. I'm not doing well at all. Trust me. I'm not doing well. Remember to submit. Anarado Christian. Christiana Anarado, I see you. Anarado, I see you. Jonathan Winchester, I see you all. Right. Ooh, okay. Slack is good, but no, we'll not be delivering on Slack. We'll be delivering on the LMS, please. Okay.
Juma spoke about the LMS this morning as well.
Oh, did he?
So, yes. You know, having to onboard onto the LMS.
I can see Juma just going, oh.
Like, what have I been saying all day?
I've been saying. Okay. Question right there. And yours truly. I'm in a very comfortable position number. I'm so ashamed to say it, but trust me, it's more than 100.
That's a lot.
I'll be coming first from the back. Don't tell me anything. Select a CSP from the list. You first need to know what the CSP is. Okay? And it's not what you think, it's what you know. Okay. More songs. We're running out. More songs. I'm gonna have to
okay. Let me look at it. Someone says play me Wizkid.
Wizkid.
Yes.
Any particular Wizkid? Exactly.
No.
Where are my Brazil fans? Where are my South Africans? Uganda, Ghana, UK.
Play Old Flames by SDC featuring Ladipo.
Old Flames by who?
SDC featuring Ladipo.
Yeah, featuring Ladipo. Okay.
Yeah.
Requests are being taken down. Makachuku Makagini. Who is that? Makachuku Makagini. I see you. Okay. Right. So Amazon Web Services or AWS. You all know it. You know AWS, but maybe you didn't know what it meant. This is what it means now. And also, Google Cloud Practitioner is not the answer. It is Google Cloud Platform. And I think Bolanle must have put that answer there to confuse you. Sorry, got you. And it's not just Microsoft.
You're me now.
It's not just Microsoft. It's Microsoft Azure. Okay, so there we go. Tope. Somebody will have to unseat you for me. Don't worry. Don't be dismayed, guys. There are questions coming that I promise you Tope has no clue about. You're gonna see this.
Are you sure? If Tope has present and in here, he's going to know everything, or she's going to know everything. I don't know if Tope is a guy or a girl.
I'm gonna have to ask. Male or female, Tope, identify yourself.
Or non-binary.
Male or ChatGPT. Maybe. Right. Okay, this is a good question. Are you expected to pay for this program? Yeah. No. Or is payment
$1 million. You pay $1 million.
Aha. Who is this www? 34
people said yes. People willing to pay us $1 million.
Juwon, can you investigate this payment after employment people? There's something suspicious about them. What?
So I think Tope is a bot.
I'm telling you, it's either a male, female, or ChatGPT. You think I'm joking? Right. I'm still right there at the top. But I think Dalet is coming close. If Dalet is fastest on the next question, you take over.
But you can do this. I'm still supporting you. Consistency.
The coach shared after every session. If you don't get this, Juwon will just log out and go away. Juwon will just close his laptop and disappear. Please, I
He
beg
will
you.
now jackpot finally.
I beg you people for my good. Get this one correct. Is it for data subscription? Is it for attendance? Is it for exam voucher? What is the code shared after every session for? What song is that? Old Flames, right? Ah,
Set for data.
who are these village people now? Ah, who are these my village people that want to close this thing?
You want we're sorry on their behalf.
We beg you on behalf of these 18 people. What? It's for attendance, nee. Oh goodness. All right. Tell me that Dalet has taken over. No, come on.
Of course, Tope knows this.
Where is my Simi? My Sammy, what is it? Sammy Sig? Where? I can't find you anymore. I can't find you. Okay. Question number 18 of 33. We're almost going down the home straight. A code pipeline is basically what?
This one is very interesting.
My answer. Is it for carrying cooling water between systems? It's a pipe. Is it for distributing power between PCs? A pipe can do that. Is it to move code across different sources? I don't know if a pipe can do that too. Who knows? 12 seconds and we'll find out. Remember to submit. And drum roll. There we go. Uh-oh. I'm happy nobody chose carrying. Omobolanle, where did you get this? Where do you get these options from, please? Carrying cooling water between systems. No, it's not for distributing power, please. It is for moving code and code resources from one source to the next source. We'll learn more about this. This is how we promote code across environment. Okay, from where we're testing it to where we're making sure that it's almost ready for people to use, what we call pre-production, and then finally to where we can make sure it's live. Okay, we'll learn more about code pipelines and even data pipelines as we go on. And Tokwe still knows this one. This Tokwe self now. Wow, Abba. Number 19, cloud computing. Let me do my cloud computing dance now.
Yeah, let's go. Give them from the cloud. Bring it
from the cloud.
Hey.
Oh my goodness. Computing from the sky. That's a good thinking. Computing on system infrastructure, provision on a remote location provided by. This one is too long now. Something IPS. Now you're talking to me. I think I can choose my answer. Don't copy me or choose your own. And submit.
Someone said computing from the sky.
Why is nobody choosing something about IPS now? This one person that chose computing from the sky. I need to know your name. I need to know. We'll soon be able to do that, I promise you. We'll just go off there and, even computing from Mars. We'll do it. What's coming up?
Into the future.
What song is coming up? Woman. You see that song that says that one day code that says, we are Nigeria. We exude like bacteria. What's that song? I think it's Kiss Your Hand. That's what I want.
Yes, Kiss Your Hand.
Nice, Kiss Your Hand. When that one come now, I'll scatter everywhere. I'll jump up.
Nigeria.
I will compete from the sky. Omobolanle, you will see me.
Very soon. We'll get there. I'm getting
20.
there.
We're about 11 questions or thereabout, just under that to go. CXP in the context of the induction stands for cloud service providers, content system policies, or cloud system providers. That sounds like what's not the mix from one of them. That's nice. The great fella Anikula Kuti and being replaced. Timmy, correct. Right. Where are we? 6 people chose cloud systems provider. Close enough, but not. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay. Just let me know where I'm playing the next one from. Okay. Tokwe, still there. Okay.
Tokwe, keep going.
I can see I'm gonna have to start supporting you now. I need to switch teams.
Move with the winning team.
Okay. Correct. Right. Teaching approach that allow learners to use new abilities and information to situations they will face in the real world. I think I know this one. Ah. Yes, sir.
What's crying?
Okay. Ah, close enough. 72 people have gone for reinforcement. Yes, it's one of the concepts within contextual learning, but it's not the answer we were looking for. Contextual learning. Sorry, Debbie. Don't worry, there's opportunity to catch up. Okay? Fear not. Let's go. All right. Next one.
Tokwe's data will soon finish. Tokwe's data will not finish.
Tokwe's on this page. What's going on? What's going on? Dalet, Yonang lead. Where's Tokwe?
Oh, the people. They've been pushing Tokwe. Village people.
Tokwe, you've gone down to number 8. Oh no. Oh no. Sorry. Oh.
Village people. Tokwe, you still have time to come up.
No, that's not the song I want. This is the one I want. Correct. Example of contextual learning. While I start my dancing now. Uh-huh.
Stronger girl, I want to have you be my younger. Hey.
You get the vibes.
Let's go.
What is my dance? This girl, the answer. Who is watching movie? You will come and carry your 10 people and go away, Joe. Who are these people?
Oh my God.
With all these plenty moves and dancing. Remember? Still Academy. It's going to be contextual learning. We've talked about this severally. A paid job. Nah, sorry. Please, you guys should do better than this. Please, I beg you. Dalet is all yours to win now, but Olusegun is just there by about less than 11 or less than 14 points, right? Next one. Olusegun, this for you. Ooh. Another name for positive reinforcement. Where's my DJ? DJ, we need more songs, please. Unless I put this one on repeat. No, shuffle it up. Uh-huh. Okay, time's up. Oh, this is the most failed one.
Oh.
No.
Hurt my feelings.
You want to recap it for them again, Bolanle, then? Because I think
Yes,
you need to on this one.
Yes, okay. Positive reinforcement is a way of rewarding yourself. Okay, it's not about repeating a task. Okay, rewarding the things that allow you to get better, putting in that effort, the extra efforts, getting room for growth. Okay, was when Tosin spoke about the fact that if you get incentives, bonuses for doing well enough, not just so it's not repetitive task at all. Okay, it's not about repeating something over and over again. No, actually. It's getting reward, okay, for what you're doing, encouraging yourself. All right. Okay. Yeah, relaxing.
Relax is okay,
No.
but
Relax
no
is
one we're looking
good,
for.
but how much would relax get you to what you want to do? Sometimes relax may not be, what you want to do. Okay. Reward, puts everything up.
Oh, goodness. Okay, next one.
Yes, please.
So Dalet is now running ahead of the pack. I
Yeah,
thought I saw
that is just
Olusegun
doing.
just a minute ago. Where's
Shagun
Olusegun?
thought it was repetitive task.
No. Okay, time to come back. I think the questions are getting tougher now.
It should be getting simpler though.
Okay, rewarding desired behavior or punishing undesirable ones are the cornerstones of what? I think I know this one.
And it's simple. Almost gave it out.
Almost. Remember to submit. Where's my DJ, please? I'll put it on shuffle. It's going to be the random song next because I've lost my DJ. So whatever song comes next is random. Oh, contextual learning. No. Rigorous learning. No. Reinforcement learning. Okay, we're beginning to see more failures than earlier, which is why I think
Feels
maybe
like
yeah, they might be getting
people
tougher.
were absent during
Yeah.
that session.
Okay.
All right.
I'm probably going to give the prize to whoever can guess my position in the scoreboard.
Oh, go Bisola. Bisola was up at some point. She's back up.
She's back up, yeah. And look at Shagun coming back up. So Olusegun, well done. I see you. Okay. And back around my group of people where I am. I'm not going to mention your names. We know ourselves. 25, 7 to go, or thereabout. 7 or 8. Okay. Increase in learners' engagement is one of the benefits of what? I like this question. Remember to click submit. Okay? Yeah, Cynthia, I see you. Omar Adekola, I see you. OT16, who is that? I see you. Damilare Adeyeye, I see you. A second to go. Time's up. I got this one correct. Look at that. Thank you. No, it's not self-awareness. Well, if you want to recap anyone, let me know, okay? And I'll step back so you can do that. Because I'm seeing more people getting this wrong.
Yes. Okay, positive reinforcement helps the learner to actually increases their engagement. The more reward that you get, the more, benefits that comes from it allows you to get more, increases your learning engagement. If you know you're going to get a better or a good reward for something, if you know that you're going to get rewarded, okay, a certain level of satisfaction, all right, that's where positive reinforcement comes in, okay, giving yourself enough time to actually do this, okay. Still going back to my bonus example, you meet this target, you get a bonus, okay. It allows you to just keep going, increases your engagement, okay. It's not self-awareness in any way, okay. Being self-aware does not necessarily do this, but when you get positive reinforcement, it definitely puts you on that path, to keep engaging, to keep getting better, so that you keep getting the reward, okay. Some of us are on this program now because, hey, tech money, you want to make tech money. Okay, so when you first eat your first £1,000, you're like, okay, I can do this. Let me build more. Let me get better. Okay, so this is so that's it. All right.
Thank you. It's all about the dollars, right? Okay. Okay. I'll take that one.
What wants to eat from that tech money? Tech is the new oil.
Wow. Okay. I'm in the right place then.
Yeah. Yes, you are. I mean, they're asking for your skincare routine. It's cloud engineering.
It's the lighting. It's lighting in the studio. Trust me. Because I'm not seeing anything.
It's the tech money.
Contextual learning with reinforcement presented by which team? I think I know this one. I think I remember this one. Come on, remember to submit. If you can get through all the questions, even if you're not at the top, massive congrats, honestly. We know those who attended. I know Umar, right? I know Winchester, right? Right? Did he attend? We know them.
Is that cloud engineering?
I know. No. Okay, that means the position at the top would have changed. There we go.
Are you doing the fun fact? I think the first two games or so, yes, Abisola was number 4. So she's always been close. Yes.
Wow. Okay. And I can see on the top side also, apart from Shegun on number 5, there's Edmond hiding in the corner. There's Hala Madrid. Topper is still hiding in the wings at number 8. And then there's Fumito Blessed. And there's Eddie. We see you. Okay. Keep pushing up that scoreboard. Few questions left to go, and we'll be done. You can ingest positive reinforcement by celebrating your what? Your birthday, your Valentine, your Christmas. Well, none of those options then. Let's go. That's how close I came to rapping. I'm not rapping today. Where's my DJ? Where has it gone? Four seconds to go. Keep it on shuffle remix. That's good. Woo, I got this one right. Whoa, no, it's not big wins. It can't just be your big wins. You're not gonna get positive reinforcement. You get tired. You be like,
so you make the big. No, you can't do that. Celebrate everything. Okay, celebrate the fact that you were able to complete this 1 week of induction. Being here today, getting all this knowledge. It's not a, it might not be the big thing. You're not gotten the end of the program, but start celebrating these things. It pushes you, encourages you to do better. Okay, take time out this Friday. Relax. Enjoy the Friday. That's why we're doing this. We're playing music, trying to relax, enjoying the process. Okay, do not put too much pressure on yourself. You don't have to wait till you finish the entire internship program to actually celebrate. You start, in bits. Okay, it gives you the, let me use the word ginger. Keep at it.
If everybody get the next question correct, I'll just start doing my Indian dance now. Okay?
All right, let's do this. We need to see Blessing's Indian dance. I've not seen it before. I'm so excited about this.
Oh no!
I'm so excited. Let's do this.
Sola, next question coming. Fingers crossed.
Be sola.
What is the CIL Academy website? Should I set my post ready?
Okay, I'll join you.
I get my post ready for this Indian dance.
Okay. Let's go.
We'll find out now.
Okay.
And
crap. Let's see it.
Oh.
Yo, people.
Come on. Please. CIL-Academy is not this website. Secureintel.com. Yes, it's great, but it's not the website for the academy. Okay, you need to put /CIL Academy in there. Okay, right. I'll be right back. 1 second. Let me go and cry a little bit.
We now know how many people are actually or that have actually visited the website to say, okay, I want to find out more. I believe that if you've been to the website, there's some questions that you will not even be asking because you already have your answers. right? So yes, please. That is the website, okay? Let's know this. I want to believe after today, nobody on this call today would say, I don't know what the website. On top of your head, you say, yes, I know this. Just type it. Okay, so you know where to get all the information you need. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, right. Almost towards the end. I don't think it's going to change
Getting there.
much again now, but who knows?
Nothing that can happen.
Even more emails and more website questions. Okay. CIL Academy at secureintel.com, Internship Academy at secureintel.com, or Academy at secureintel.com. One of
One
these.
asking, what's the website? I can't log into my Slack. I need the website. I need the email. I sent an email. I need an email. I can't see the email. What's the email again? I can't get into Slack. Okay, here. Let's see how many of those actually sent an email. I'm closing my eyes.
149 people, please shift right. Academy at secureintel.com. Again, I
Why you
repeat
couldn't
that.
get into your Slack? Because send an email.
Okay.
Send an email. I don't have a Slack account. Send an email. Okay, so for those of us that do not have a Slack account yet, or you're not in the Slack channel, send an email to academy@secureintel.com. I want to believe after now, nobody is going to ask us for an email.
No.
Because now we know.
Take a screenshot quickly. You must not forget this. Okay?
Yeah.
On the leaderboard. Woo! Look at that. Code Rich Bob. Lovely. Overtaking Abisola. Code Rich Bob. And then there's Deji just coming on the wings there. Okay? Who is going to do the final win this time? Let's see. About 3 more questions left to go. What is the link to the CIL Academy LMS? More links. I think these are some of the most crucial information and you need to remember them.
Yeah,
I think I know
very much. The link to the CIL Academy LMS. Everyone needs this because I logged out of my LMS. I can't get back in. What's the link? What's the link? Save this link now.
Save the link, bookmark it.
The link.
Don't forget it.
Yes. Very important. Very, very essential.
Woo! I got this one correct. Nice. Uh-oh.
People.
Oh boy. Where are my data engineers? We need to analyze this. How?
Wow.
Whoa.
Like 190 something, like 93 people didn't get this. 193 people that might be logged out. Take a screenshot now so you don't get logged out, and then I can't find it anymore. And thumbs up to the 69
I really like
people.
this question now. Yeah, thumbs up to those 69, right? You're all moving to module 3, double promotion. Okay. Right. Reclaiming your crown. Okay. Battle is still on. I think that's because Code Rich Bob didn't get the answer this time. C +0. So that's why. So Code Rich Bob, let's do this next one. Score 900 and you're going to be beating Bisola.
Let's see. Let's see.
Okay. What's the name of the Cohort 5 channel on Slack? If you've not been
channel
added to
you
that
get,
channel,
you know.
Yeah. Why didn't you just call it Cohort 5 CIL Academy? Or why didn't you call it Cohort 5 Cloud and Data? Or why didn't you call it Cohort 5 Channel? What did you even call it? I don't know. What could it be? Who knows this, please?
Please help us out so you can find it.
Everybody's going to score this one. I know. Come on. Do it. Juwon, 47 people, 47 times 2 people are telling you you should have named this thing differently. Why did you name it?
Can you imagine?
Okay, screenshot. If you are on Slack and you look on the left-hand side and you can see the channel Cohort 5, Cloud and Data, please raise a request. I'll add you up. Blessing, Mojiji can do that. Any one of us on the call can get you into that. Let us know. Okay.
Go Abisola.
Abisola,
Yes, you can do this. We're getting to the end.
I think you're gonna make it. One but last. Okay. How can we get access to the induction recordings? I don't know.
Okay.
Let me figure it out. Is it on the Slack channel? Is it on YouTube? Is it going to be sent to my email? I don't know. I'm going to choose one. I'm rolling the die and I'll just choose anyone I like. Because I don't know. Remember to click on submit.
Remember.
Time's up. It will not be sent to your email. Those 4 of you waiting, it will not come.
And those of you waiting for the recordings on the Slack channel, it's not going to happen.
Possible. It's not happening.
It's not
Don't let me
happening.
start speaking my German now. 9. Kind of happen. Right. Abisola, I think you're just about to win this. One last question.
Let's go. All right, my fingers are crossed. Go best.
And after this question, please don't go off. There are going to be more slides that will do a bit of catching of data from you. So don't just go away after this last question, okay? There's still a few more slides to come. Stay on the page after this question.
Don't say because you are number 287, you now leave. No. Say, oh, I'm not first 5. Let me just leave. No, not at all.
I think everyone is going to get this one. There's no way everyone is not going to get this one right. Oh no!
Said I'm going to brag on social media. Said I'm influenced.
I'm going to review these questions, and I'll find these 4 people. I have a particular set of skills. I'm beginning to calculate how, like Sabinus, what I'm going to do to 4 of you like this, like that. Okay. Time for a drum roll because we are going to see who has won this. So, drum roll time.
You want to brag? Yes, Abisola is requesting for a song. Say, please stand up for the champions for her, please.
My DJ has gone. My DJ is gone. No more here. So sorry. I would have to decline your request at this point. I'm so sorry. Okay.
We'll try to sing it.
We'll try to sing it. Exactly.
I'm not a very good singer, but I can try.
Let me pause this one. I can pause the play and then we'll try and sing it together. Right? Ready?
Okay, we'll do a backup. Adejuwon Adeyeye, are you ready for the backup?
And please don't go anywhere. Stay on that page. We're going to get more slides coming up after
page,
this.
Yes.
Please.
Where's the drum roll? Okay, go Abisola. Yay. Yay to the confetti. Yeah. Stand up. Stand up for the champions. For the champions. Stand up. Hey, stand up. Well done, Abisola, and everyone who has participated. Yay!
Beautiful.
Yay! Congratulations! Congratulations! All right, just wait a few more minutes on the channel so that you could take the other 2 slides. This is basically okay. So I want to say we should put her on video. The question is, does Abisola want to come on video?
That's the question. So we're not going to put her on the spot or him. Is it her or him or ChatGPT?
I don't know. Abisola, if you're here, don't worry. You could say your name and say hi. Just say something in the Q&A session. If you want to talk, we can give you like volume to say hi to everyone. Let's hear your voice. but that's it. You may not be able to put your video. Abisola is a female. Okay, would you like to say something, Abisola? Everyone say hi. Can find you. Yes, please. Okay, let me look for Abisola.
Okay, we'll get you on the screen soon. And that said, big shout out to Hala Madrid, wherever you are. Well done. I saw you climbing that leaderboard step by step, and right there at the second runner-up. Well done. Respectable score. To Blessed. Well done. Well done. And Olusegun, you almost did this, right? Code Rich Bob, at the point you are leading this. Okay. Samuel Noah, Cosmo Matangifa, Edmond Gima, Tope, and Joseph Olugunja. You all did very well. These are the top 10. Massive, massive respect. Well done, you all. Okay. Do you have Abisola speaking?
Yes, we're still trying to get her.
Okay. So, applause.
Yeah, she's able to talk now. Abisola, you can talk now.
We are looking for a stand up for the champion. You are not here to play for you.
So can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Hello.
Well done, well done, well done.
Thank you very much. I would like to say a big thank you to God. Yeah, it was paining me as they kept calling Tope. I was like, oh, I'm coming for you. Because at some point I was number 17. And then, yeah, Tope inspired me.
Okay, well done.
So thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much for the opportunity.
Bolanle, can you hear that?
Oh, for the champion. Champions. Yay! Congratulations, Abisola. Well done to everyone actually that participated, that contributed. We hope you not just enjoy this but learned from it. Don't worry, it's the beginning of your journey. So enjoy the process. This is what we talk about, celebrating your small wins, okay? Celebrating this part where whatever number you're on, 278, 279, 301, you're still, you're here, okay? That's the good part of it. You are here and you're in the journey, you're in the race. So keep doing it, keep putting in the work, and believe me, it will pay. All right,
So,
I think we should go to like the next slide. Take the next slide.
Whoever can get my position on the score within +2 or -2, you get 10 minutes of chat time with me. So go and guess on the Q&A, right? And I didn't perform well, just so you know. Okay, right, there we go. Next slide. You will need to click something on your screen when I do this, okay? So watch your screen as I go. Here we go. Right. So can you click go to slide on your screen? You see something pop up saying go to slide. Just tap the go to slide button. You see the presenter has changed slide, tap it, go to slide, and then tell us how this has made you feel for this.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's no prize for getting this one. There's no right or wrong. Just tell us feedback.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do this. All right. Let's put in this. Okay. I can't hear you. I can't hear your song. It's just you dancing. Blessing, we used to give us your Indian dance. Can't dance Indian dance.
No, they didn't get. I was about to go my Indian dance, and they didn't get the question. That was frustrating. You would have. Don't worry, Buga is coming. We'll do Buga.
Okay.
Yes, okay. We'll move from this slide to the next slide. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
It will still say show slides. Mm-hmm.
Yep. What word comes to your mind when you think about CIL Academy Induction Week?
Right.
Get
you can put any
people,
word that comes to your mind.
Yes, please. I need to unlock it, right? I see, that's why. Thank you. Right, let's go. Okay, it's unlocked.
All right.
There it goes. Ooh. Let me copy some of you.
Okay, so we have.
You can submit as many times as you want. Just keep submitting. Keep submitting. Keep
Mhm.
submitting. Right? Keep submitting. Keep those words coming in. 33 seconds to go. Keep going.
Any words?
Thank you very much. About okay, give us 10 minutes. We'll wrap it up in 10 minutes, please. Thank
We'll be
you.
done in less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, we're done in less than 10. I've got my accountability partner going. Come on, it's time. Yeah. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming.
And it's locked.
Whoa, submission closed.
Thank
Right.
you.
Who is this person? Who is this person with this asterisks? Huh? I'm not gonna tell you what that is, but whoever that was. Okay. So very, very good. I think that's the very last slide. And I'm very, very grateful. I'm extremely grateful. Bolanle, back to
Thank you.
While I go and do
Yes,
more dance.
okay. I'll be ending this in a few minutes. Thank you very much to everyone. That's the end of the induction program. If you have any questions, please send it to academy@secureintel.com. We would answer you as fast as we can. Okay, you will be onboarded into the LMS between you start getting emails immediately after this induction program up until the rest of next week. So just be patient. Look at the Slack channel for every information you need. Try your answers as well. Thank you very much for this. Thank you to we have Sarah, Akin, Tembil, Zioma, and even everybody in the CIL Academy, from OJ to Blessing, Jumo, T, Tosin, our CIL X interns, Cornelia, Kazim, one that has made this possible. But more importantly, for you guys who have stayed with us through this. Of course, we won't have been talking to ourselves or training anybody. We believe in you, we believe in your process. The end of the induction week, but it's definitely the beginning. You all the best. Congrats. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy yourself. Rest. Together. Give yourself the energy you need so that immense, the thank you everyone. There will be everyone. This is the last time I will be speaking to you like this. Hopefully I get connect. You can connect with us on other details, YouTube channel to rewatch some of this parts that you've missed.